Hi everyone, we're Group 14. In this video, we're going to demonstrate our programming essential final group project. To start with, we would like to try out our merge function by merging the bunch of in and out CSV file provided by Mr. Cole. And we can see that now in group project file, there is no merged output CSV file exist. And later after we run the merge function, we will be expecting to see a merged output CSV file under the group project file. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we will need to call our main function first. And here we can find our menu here. To call our merge function, we will enter M, and it may take some time for the program to merge the file successfully. And here we can see that the console says that the files are being merged successfully. So to test out whether that is true, we will need to go back to the project file. And we can see that a merged output CSV file has indeed been created successfully. And after opening the CS file, we can also see that the in and out information are being merged and recorded are being merged and correctly. So after we have tested out the merge function, let's proceed to our set door gate function and the entrance and exit tracking function. So let's choose D for the set door gate function. Now we are required to set our valid door gate ID. In this case, we will just choose a random number, 8, and it shows that gate ID has been collected successfully. Let's just try to skip the configure PC number, and we will jump directly into the entrance and exit tracking function to see what will happen. So let's enter R. Oh, so we can see that because we haven't configured our PC number, under the R function, we're prompted to enter a valid PC number from 1 to 99 before it proceeds to the entrance and exit information tracking part. Let's just choose 6, and it will just try the quit function to see whether it can be quitted successfully, and says that we have already quit the function. So after this, I would like to see that whether we can configure our PC number directly from our main menu instead of indirectly configure it through the R function. So let's type C here, and it says that please enter a PC number 7, and the result I believe the result shows that the PC number has been recorded successfully. So let's go back to our in and out part. And we will delete all the existing CSV file here because we're going to save our later records in this CSV file. And also under the group project file, we can see that there has produced 2 txt files. One is our door gate record, and another one is our PC number record. And we can see that the numbers have been recorded correctly. Now let's go back to our spider to run the remaining part of our code. So to record our entrance and exit tracking, we will choose R, and then we will choose entrance information first, contact number in Singapore has to be 8 digits, so I will randomly type it as 8A, and NRIC I will just anyhow type. For the Singapore IC, the first and the last part should be alphabets, and the middle seven digit should be numbers. And it prompts into the main menu because our entrance information has been recorded. Um, then we will choose R again to test our exist function. And NRIC will choose exactly the same NRIC here. And then it go back to the um, main menu, because the exist information is also being recorded successfully. And let's check back into the group project file under the in out file. We can see that the exist the entry information and the exist information has indeed been recorded correctly. Lastly, we would like to try out a situation whereby one customer enter and exist the same more multiple times within the day. So here I've already copied and pasted two CSV file created by us. So in these two CSV file, it has recorded the information of one person enter and exist the same shopping mall through the same gate multiple times within the day. So let's try out to see whether our merge function can work successfully within this situation. Um, to test this out, we will need to modify our code a little bit by changing the multi times um, function equals to false into equals to true. And now let's call our main function, and we will directly go to the merge choice, and it says that the files are being merged successfully. Now let's go back to try to see whether it has been merged successfully. Oh, we can see that it's indeed being merged successfully, whereby the for each time the in time and the out time are being matched correctly. The reason why we do not use the in and out CSV file provided by Mr. Cole is because our function is still lack of the level of complexity to run a a a, a huge amount of CSV file. So at this stage, we will just limit our input CSV file to two, to just give you guys some ideas about what we are thinking, and how we can solve this issue that a person enter and exist the same shopping mall multiple times a day. And we believe that maybe in the future, when we have gained a higher level of programming skills, we will try to solve this problem in a more efficient way. And here comes to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much.